So, hi friends, hope you're doing great. Those of you are already working in a bank, and those who are not working, intending to join the bank, hope you are safe. Keep yourself safe from the corona. Don't go out unnecessarily. So, again, if you're healthy, I'll be very happy. So, because it is affecting the young generation, I wish you all a great health. So, first of all, let me thanks from the bottom of my heart those who have subscribed to my channels, and more than 80,000 people have seen my videos. So that gave me a great boost. So this, because I've had an experience of 32 years as a banker, and after that I've had an experience 8 years of experience as a trainer. I've trained a lot of bankers, more than 8,000 bankers over the 8 years on various topics like actual working on the Finacle, giving a demo on Finacles, as well as sales and selling techniques. So a lot of specialized programs, principles of banking, topics of banking, introduction to banking, soft skills, personality development, how to have a stress-free life. I have shared these. So I've had more than 40 plus years of experience as a banker. I was chief manager in one of the banks, and I have had huge exposure to young millennial bankers while I trained them. So I thought I should start a website of my own, wherein, because on YouTube channel I was getting a lot of requests, sir, we should be shared with the live videos on Finacle. So I took pain and efforts to build these videos of my own so that I could share it with you, because during the training I got this feedback, sir, we were asked to sit on the counters and we had no training, no input, nothing, no content, no material, and we had to look here and there, we have to call different people in different branches for seeking help. So I thought, why not start this? And a website is a platform wherein you can see those videos, learn whatever you can, of course. So most of the banks, they have their own customized system of Finacle. So slightly 10%, 5% may vary slightly. Otherwise, 90% the core of Finacle remains the same, right? So on Finacles, I have shared how to create a KIF ID, how to open accounts, how to transfer funds using RTGS, NEFT, various clearing inquiries, various accounts inquiries, report generations. A lot of modules I have shared on Finacle, right? Plus, Finacle, I have shared one normal module wherein I have given all those topics which we handle during the branch operations. In the advanced module, I have shared various videos on trade finance, foreign exchange, inventory management, signature uploading, and a lot of other topics which are specialized: how to issue a guarantee, how to revoke a guarantee. Later on also I'll be launching, you can say, platinum module of Finacle, wherein I'll be adding more content on that. Besides Finacle, more or less I have added almost all the topics that you should be knowing. But in platinum again I'll be sharing those who are working in a specialized verticals. So those of you are not even working with specialized verticals, and if you have, you can say, if you have a flair for working in a foreign exchange or loans, so you can learn from those videos also, right? Plus sales and selling techniques, and plus various topics on banking. I have shared this. So sales and selling techniques, what is IDA model of sales, what is elevator pitch, how to use it to convince customers, how to build a relationship, repo, and a trust of the customer, how to get a trust of the customers, because customer buys our trust, not the product. So it's very essential we build our trust. How to handle objections, how to close a sale, what is open-ended questions, what is closed-ended questions. So during my career, or you can say during my life, whatever I learned, I've shared, I've given my personal inputs also. A lot of videos are there where I feel that you will be a great salesperson, because during the training assignment I got this feedback, sir, some of you were not very comfortable with sales, because people say no, and people will say no. So there have been examples where people say no, only then you start getting yes after that. So a lot of content I've added here, lot will be added later on also. I'm just telling you to be on the lookout. I'll be adding more content in this sales and selling techniques, because for making a complete website it was taking time. I thought I should, this is the time, corona is there, people are sitting at home, they can learn at home. So I thought, why not launch the website with whatever topics content I have prepared, and I'll be adding later a lot of content which will be of lot of use to you. So I think with this content, I think sales and services will be a very easy walk for all of you. And next, Finacle I've already told advanced version, right? So wherein I've added trade finance, foreign exchange, how to issue a guarantee, how to revoke a guarantee, how to handle a foreign inward export bill, import bills, how to handle a outward export bills, how to do documentation, what is packing credit, what is inventory management, how to issue inventory to employees, how to upload signatures in the Finacle. A lot of specialized topics I have covered in this advanced module. Then principles of banking, lot of topics, KYC, money laundering, what is why important is KYC, why important is money laundering, how to check it, what we need to do, what is FATCA, and how to open entity accounts, individual accounts, what documents are to be obtained, what needs to be checked in those documents like proprietorship, partnership, OPC, one person company, and LLPs, which are in vogue nowadays, companies account, private and public. So I have covered a lot of material, CTS, check truncation system, inward clearing, outward clearing, a lot of topics I have added here. So those who are going in for promotions, this will definitely benefit them, or those who want to enhance their knowledge, definitely will benefit them. Then our courses are constructed to keep in mind millennial bankers working in various banks to help them understand the basics and complex fundamentals of banking operations as well as sales also, right? So this is a nutshell of my website. Again, I'm telling you, I have already added a lot of material, but I'll be adding lots more material in shape of videos and PPTs and phase of time, right? I'm in the process of making them. It takes time because I'm the only person doing it. So though our courses, you'll learn all about Finacle software, how to work, what is sales and selling techniques, right? Personality development, how to have a stress-free life, how to develop soft skills. Because if you have skills but missing in the will, it's useless. If you have the willpower but you don't have skills, it is useless. So I always say skills and will and opportunity. Opportunity where your business is. You have to look for it. If you combine these three, I think you'll be a tremendous salesperson. So I've shared a lot of topics, a lot of my input into this videos. So we are live now. Visit our websites. We have offered a certain first 50 early birds a discount of 30%. They can use the code BTS30 for getting a discount. So this is just a discount, and later on also I'll be giving discounts. And please do share this website with all your friends and colleagues so that they can benefit a lot, right? And you can any query, any doubt, you can always connect with me. There are a lot of options available on the website. Talk to, WhatsApp, email, you can write them. And I'll be holding webinars also later on, wherein we'll be connecting either through Zoom, or I'll be sending the links, GTM, or whatever it is we connect. So in case you have any personal query, any personal talk you want to have it with me, I'm always available. So I'm pretty sure this website will definitely benefit all of you. So you can enhance your skills by using our various, you can say, courses here, right? So again, don't forget to use this BTS30 as code for early 50. Those who log into my website, they'll get this benefit. It will be of use to all of you. So it's my endeavor so help you all grow professionally, personally, and have a great career as a banker, rise and shine. So software, basically I have used this Finacle software as a tool to help all of you how to work in the branches. Those are working in back offices also, account opening, signature scanning, they will also benefit from this. So I think it's a complete package. Later on also I'll be adding a lot of materials on mind tools, how to have a good personality, how to have good communication etiquettes, how to have a stress-free life, how to avoid stress, how to live your life, how to have a balanced work and life, right, home life. So I'll be sharing a lot of topics so that you can become a versatile banker. And any case, any problems, any issue, any clarification, please get in touch with me. I'll ensure that I'm in touch with you immediately and I'll solve your problems. So finally, again, please do share this website and YouTube channel also. Don't keep on missing, because I'll be announcing a lot of topics on my YouTube channels also. So be on the lookout for that also. So wish you a great happy journey through my website. I think you'll have a tremendous learning from my website. So I can assure you this, because I have been a banker throughout my life. So I know what topics need to be covered during the entire lifetime. So again, wish you all success and God bless you all. Remain safe. Happy learning. Have a great career. Thank you.